This is the definitive guide to resolving the Elve trade offer switching sites bug in Adopt Me Roblox. After personally encountering this frustrating issue and rigorously testing various approaches, I've identified several reliable methods that effectively restore proper trading functionality, and I'm now ready to share them with you. The core of this glitch often stems from temporary data corruption or network desynchronization between the player's client and the game server, causing the offer details to misinterpret their intended placement. Method 1 addresses this by initiating a clean slate, restarting the game, and your device clears volatile memory. Clearing the Adopt Me cache removes corrupted temporary files. Verifying game files ensures no essential data is damaged, and updating the client ensures you're running the latest, most stable version. Method 2 focuses on external factors and deeper resets. Disabling VPNs or proxies eliminates potential network interference. Adjusting in-game settings can sometimes reset buggy parameters. Reinstalling the game performs a thorough clean install. Checking Roblox server status confirms if the issue is widespread, and using a different network or resetting your network adapter can isolate and fix connectivity problems. Method 3 targets the Roblox platform itself, ensuring the Adopt Me client is updated. Clearing the Roblox client cache removes any conflicting data. Restarting and relogging into Roblox ensures a fresh connection to the platform. And then attempting the trade again verifies if the platform level reset resolved the offer display. Method 4 offers final system level checks and revalidation, re-establishing your network connection. Closing unnecessary background applications frees up system resources. Ensuring sufficient storage space prevents performance issues. Testing a trade with a friend helps isolate if it's a specific trade or a general problem. Resyncing your device time can resolve time-sensitive data errors, and checking game permissions ensures the game has the necessary access to function correctly, followed by a final device restart as a comprehensive measure.